kindergartners! Welcome back to Science with Mrs. Sotelo. Today we're at the start of a very exciting unit. We are about to start our study of space. Particularly in kindergarten, we're looking at where is the Earth in our universe? How does the sun affect our Earth? How does the moon affect our Earth? And also, how do the sun and the moon's movements and our own movement on Earth create the patterns of days and nights? All right, kindergartners, let's start questioning. What is our beautiful planet Earth's place in this great, big universe? Let's jump into a book to find out. Are you ready? Let's jump spaceman style. Put on your helmet. Ready, set, no gravity, jump! Whoa! Okay, spaceman. Now we've arrived in space, or an interpretation of space on the internet. Let's take a tour of what space is and where it's from. Ooh. This is the sun, our home star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. It would take 18 years for a jet airplane to fly to the sun. Whoa, we're coming out of our solar system. The furthest man-made object, Voyager 1, is now almost 17 light years away. That's what 1 light year looks like. The length of 1 light year is the distance that light can travel in 1 year. Whoa, look at all of these stars. These are the stars closest to our solar system. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4.3 light years away. It's pretty far. Whoa! Named stars that astronomers have studied are named there. Those are just the stars that we've found so far. Wow, look at all of these stars. You're seeing the actual density and location of over 100,000 stars in this view. Sorry. Blue, hotter burning stars reside closer to the galactic plane. Whoa! All of which are in the Milky Way, which has 200 to 400 billion stars in total. Wow, look at all these stars! Go forth and explore. Click, drag, and zoom with your mouse. Kinders, I'm going to put a link to this website down below in our science section. I hope that you and your family get a chance to explore space using this link. Let's pause just 1 second while I charge my laptop up and we jump into a book. Ready? Let's pause. Okay, Kinders, here we are at our book. Let's find out more about Earth's place in space by Karen Jones. We live here on planet Earth. Earth is a round sphere, math word, with a hard, rocky surface. Even underneath the ocean, we still have rocks and sand and the top of the Earth's crust. Crust makes me hungry for lunch. From space, you can see land, water, and clouds that help support life on Earth. Earth is the only planet that we know of that contains life. Earth has just the right amount of oxygen, which is the air we breathe, and water to allow people, plants, and animals to grow and survive. Scientists are still hoping to find another planet that would be able to support life. Because right now, the only one that we know of is Earth and its beautiful water. There's a picture of our solar system. Give me a sparkle if you've ever seen a picture of the solar system before. Earth is a planet. Planets are round masses in our solar system that orbit or move in a curved path around the sun. The sun is about 93 million miles away from Earth. Planets found outside our solar system that rotate around other stars are called exoplanets. So we have our sun, which is our star, which we named Sun, and then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and we used to have Pluto, but it was discovered that it's not a real planet. Our solar system is made up of one giant star that we call Sun, as well as planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Scientists believe that our solar system was formed over 4 billion years ago. If you have questions about how planets are formed, I can highly recommend a show on Netflix called Storybots. They explore how planets are made in a great kinder-friendly way. The Milky Way galaxy, our sun and solar system. Our solar system is one small part of the spiral arms of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a large spiral galaxy. It contains billions of stars. Our sun is only one of them. The Milky Way is surrounded by hot gas and is constantly moving. If you say, "Hey, I know gas, that's what we have to fill my car up with," you're right. The kind of gas that we put in our car is just one of the many gases found in this universe. In fact, your bottom produces another one when you toot. It is just one of the billion galaxies found in the universe. The universe is the name for all space and time. All matter, including planets, stars, galaxy, and other types of energy, are part of our universe. The true size of the universe is unknown. It's constantly expanding or growing bigger. Scientists think that the universe is over 13 billion years old and was created by a giant explosion called the Big Bang. If you love studying this, you could become a scientist called an astrophysicist or also an astronomist, and you could study how our universe works. I hope some of you might think about this for a job when you're a grown-up. You may feel like you're standing still on Earth, but you are actually moving. Earth is always, sorry guys. Turn this watch to quiet. You may feel like you are standing still on Earth, but you are actually moving. Earth is always moving. In fact, it moves in 2 ways at the same time. It rotates or spins, as you see in this first diagram, on its axis. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to spin around once. You might know that as day. While it is spinning, it also orbits or travels around the Sun. It takes 1 year for the Earth to complete an orbit around the Sun. Going back to that one. Oops. So if you can think about it, we'll go into it some more. The Earth is always rotating like this, and that's how we experience day and night. We'll go into that another day too. But it's also traveling around the Sun. So it'd be like doing a dance while you're spinning, while at the same time doing almost an oval on the floor. Kind of fun. Okay, next slide. Gravity is the force that pulls us down to Earth's surface. Gravity is also what keeps the planets orbiting in their own path around the Sun. So while we feel the gravity of Earth, our Earth feels the gravity of the Sun. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has 1 moon. Just like gravity holds us in place, gravity is what keeps the moon orbiting around Earth and keeps it from crashing into us. So the moon is affected by Earth's gravity, just like we are, but since it's so massive, it still maintains its own little path in space around us, Earth. Our Earth is our small but special place in the vast universe. Now, where is Earth's place in the universe? Well, Kinders, you and I are going to make our own model to teach other people about Earth's place in this universe. Let's put that space helmet, make sure it's tight, and let's anti-gravity. Jump on out of here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back on Earth. Let's take that helmet off. Oh, it feels good to just breathe oxygen again. Okay, Kinders. Now we're going to work together to make a model about where Earth's place is in space or in the universe. We're going to use this to teach the people in our family, including anybody you want to FaceTime, about what the span of the universe is and where's our little place. So the first thing we're going to do is underneath this, or with this video, I will put a printout that you can do, or you can just draw this by hand of different models. Okay? I labeled my paper Earth's place in space. The first thing that we want to think about is just our sweet little Earth. It's our own little planet. So I'm going to take and put it on here. Do you ever roll tape like that? Okay, I the very bottom I have Earth. And Earth is spelled E-A-R, and then that naughty T-H. Earth. And Earth is part of something even bigger. So I'm going to draw a big arrow to the next model. Roll that tape up. The Earth is part of the solar system. The solar system has 7 other planets, sorry Pluto, and revolves around our star, which we call the Sun. So the Earth is part of the solar system. I'm just going to label that. The, T-H-E spells the, solar system. The solar system. And then the solar system is part of a galaxy, which is a group of billions of stars. So I'm going to glue my picture of the Milky Way right here. Isn't it amazing to think that each star could have planets circling around it? Did you know that in some solar systems there are more than one star? Like we have one sun. Could you imagine seeing 2 stars, maybe even 3 stars in the sky? Makes me think of Star Wars. And here's the Milky Way. And I'm going to write that down. The Milky Way galaxy. There we go. So if I was to explain this to someone, I could go forward, saying that we're from Earth. Earth is part of the solar system, which is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Or I could say, hey, you want to go like we did on the computer program? We start pretty big in the universe. Our little corner of the universe is called the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is where the sun that we orbit around and the planet that we orbit upon is Earth. Alright, Kinders, I hope you enjoyed learning about Earth's place in the universe. Look for the links for this activity and also to explore space using that cool space program I showed you at the beginning. Have a great day! Hope you love science!